Kaylee, where'd you get a bag of sugar? Huh? Kaylee, where'd you find a bag of sugar? Is it good? Kaylee, where'd you get your sugar at? I think that must be pretty good stuff. Now, how am I supposed to take it off of you? Elmo, Elmo.
No.
Hi, Katie. So you gonna sleep tonight?
I can see my hand.
Hey, are you gonna sleep tonight with that sugar in you?
No, you're not.
She better.
I did.
Really?
Really?
Yeah?
Yeah. No. KK. KK. Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
You're not getting that bag of sugar off of you, I'm telling you now.
One pretzel.
How many are in there?
2.
You done licking the bag?
I'll take it if you want.
That must be some good stuff there, Kaylee Bugs. That must be some really good stuff there. Do not put plastic bags on your face. Huh? What? Yum, 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 yum. Y'all done? Can I have it?
I'll take it. Every time I say I'll take it, start flicking it. I'll take it.
Is the sugar kicking in now? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Since you're going to sit on me, I'm closing it. Bye. Hey. Hey, you. Oh, she's going to get mad. Kaden took her bag. Get him, Kaylee Bug. Get him. Go ahead, you can get him. You have permission. Okay, goodbye.